Got one. Bring him in. Ooh, that's a good size. Ooh, that's a good size. That's Dad. I got it. Couple. It's recording. You record. Ooh, that's big.
Yeah. Good size, guys.
He just has one on. That's not bad. Average size. They're getting bigger. Yeah. These are all the males. Second one for paying the day. We've only been here, what? 10 minutes? 10 minutes. Fish is good. Big. It's a fighter. Ooh, that's good. It's good size. Ooh, that's good size. Wow, Dad. Chocolate. That's a good size. Oh yeah. Very good size. Oh yeah. There you go. Fish on. Go try tiring him out. Damn, I got that on film. The hook set. Looks. It's just. I think it's just giving you a good fight. You got a tango in your line. Oh shit. Just scoot back over here. Walk him towards the shore. Ooh, I got a lot. Where's your drag, man? Keep it on.
Yeah, this one's big. Good size.
Oh damn, that's a good size, dude. Oh, that's probably the biggest all day. Come on.
Yeah,
Hold him up. Getting good, huh? Actually, that's like a little bigger than the average.
yeah.
I think yours earlier, and I got one that size. The big one I got earlier too. About that size. It's a little bigger than average. Ooh, yo, don't go good. Good size. Got that all on film. This one's small.
Right when I pressed record.
Really?
Yeah. It's Huey on his white bass. Slayer. Nice.
This one's smaller. Average size.
Good catch.
Still good, I guess. They're hungry. See that? They look skinny.
Yeah. Did it swallow it?
Just wait up.
There you go.
Alright. This guy's a little small. We're gonna release him. There he goes. Alright.